Hello again. This is the second video, and as I told you in the previous video, I told you that we were going to learn about pets. Remember? Those are animals that live with us. And also we were going to learn about parts of the house. So this is a house, okay? And the house has different rooms, okay? Different parts. So let's see which one. We are going to learn four. The first one is
bedroom.
bedroom, is where we sleep, okay? So this is going to be the action, bedroom. And remember, to us, ooh,
bedroom.
bedroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom is where we shower and comb our hair, okay? So, bathroom. This is bathroom.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. This is where we cook, okay? So we pretend that we are cooking.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Living room.
Living room. Okay, this is the only one that is two words. Okay, living room. And this is where we can find the sofa and also the TV. Okay, so we can do this action. Living room.
Living room.
Okay, and that's it. Bye.